Hi everyone, it's your girl Regina coming to you with another video. In today's video, I am going to give y'all my honest review on opening a TikTok shop. TikTok has over 1 billion followers that use their platform every single day, and TikTok decided to launch their own way of selling, just like Facebook and Instagram. And a lot of people is starting to open up TikTok shops in order to sell their handmade products. And with the holiday season coming around, I thought this would be a perfect time for me to test the whole TikTok shop platform from start to finish and give y'all my honest review and what I found out about opening a TikTok shop. If this is your first time joining me, welcome to my channel. I shoot DIY projects as well as cruise tip videos every single week, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button. For my subscribers, I know y'all probably saying, oh, Regina, you've been missing for a minute. It's because I've been building my small business on TikTok, as well as shooting some footage for some new DIY project that I'm finna get ready to start uploading for you guys. So in order to have a TikTok shop, the first thing you need to do is change your account over to TikTok business. Now, I done had my TikTok page for maybe like almost 3 years. I opened it like either right at the end of COVID or during COVID, but I think it was more towards the end of COVID. And right at the beginning, I opened it up as a business account before all these restrictions on how many followers you need and all that even occurred. So my account been a business account since the beginning. So if you have a TikTok page, first of all, you have to have a TikTok page to have a TikTok shop. So if you don't have a TikTok page, open up a TikTok page. But if you already have a TikTok page, just go to YouTube and Google how to change my TikTok page to a business account. I looked at like a 2-minute video and I changed it over and it was fine when I first started. So I'm pretty sure it's tons of videos now that'll show you just how easy it is to change a regular TikTok page into a business account. So you have to have your own TikTok page, and you have to have it as a TikTok business account, okay? The second thing that when a lot of people ask me, how do I open up a TikTok shop? They be missing one other key factor. You have to have at least 1,000 subscribers. So if you don't have 1,000 subscribers, join some of these follow trains, follow people back, get to that 1,000, because with TikTok, you limited to pretty much anything if you don't have 1,000 followers. You can't go live. You can't add your own personal website to your bio. So it's a lot of restrictions that occur when you don't have 1,000 followers. Start your own follow train. One of the things that I do is when I'm on live or I'm on TikTok or somebody started following me, I always follow them back. So, get on one of those follow trains and start following people so that they can follow you back. Or again, just start your own follow train, but do what you have to do to get to that 1,000 subscribers, okay? So once you have your TikTok page up, you done turned it into a business account, and you have your 1,000 subscribers, you want to go to the TikTok Shop Seller Center. And basically the Seller Center, setting it up, I set it up as a sole proprietorship because I haven't gotten my LLC yet, because right now the only thing that I'm really selling is tumblers. And I do really well selling my tumblers. I'm starting to incorporate my wax melt. So I finna, for 2024, is go ahead and change over to the LLC. So don't come at me because I haven't done it yet. I do have my EIN. It's just I haven't done the LLC yet. I finna get ready to do that. So please, y'all, don't come at me because y'all be coming at me sometime on some of my videos. But that's okay. But yeah, so I opened it up. It was pretty simple and easy. Basic information, name, address, business name, just the basics. And it took about less than 24 hours. I got an email saying that I was approved. So the setting up the TikTok shop is pretty simple and easy. Basic information, just like if any other social media platform. So don't think that you need to have an LLC or EIN and all of that to open up a TikTok shop. I mean, as far as if you have all these things already in place, go ahead and use it. But TikTok will basically let you open up a TikTok shop if your TikTok account is in business mode with basically your social security number, because you do still have to fill out all tax information, okay? Because the first thing they're going to do is approve you once you put in your basic information and check to make sure that you do have 1,000 followers. The next thing they're going to ask you to do is put in your tax ID information, and then your account will be fully set up, and then you will go in and put in your bank account information the way that you want your money to go. Okay, so it's just basic information, same thing if you signing up in any other platforms. Okay, once you all set up, you got your bank account information in to get paid. Now you ready to start making some money. So now you finna get ready to list your products. Keep in mind that when you do sell on TikTok do take 5% commission, which is not too bad. It's cheaper than Amazon, I can tell you that. So your listings it takes me like maybe 1.5, 2 minutes to do a listing, depending on how many pictures that I'm putting on. It's not no laid out super nothing hard. It's just title, what it is, pictures, how much it costs, how many you got, and shipping information. That's pretty much it. If you ever sold on Facebook Marketplace, it's the same setup. It might just look a little different because you have a lot of little bars on the side, but it's the same setup. The title, what it is, how many you got, colors, if you have different colors, just basic listing information. Okay, so the only thing that I recommend that you do is when you set up your listings is do not, I repeat this, do not say that you're going to ship the product yourself. Ship through the platform. Let me say this again. This is a mistake that a lot of people make when they doing these TikTok shops, is they decide because they got pirate ship and they got their own website and stuff and they already shipping their own products, that they will ship their own products through TikTok. Don't do that. Ship through the platform on TikTok. The reason why is TikTok, without even asking you, will run promotions like free shipping, 40% off your product. And don't panic, I'm going to get into that also. So if you is doing shipping yourself, when they offer free shipping, which is they do a lot, I see it all the time in my TikTok shop. If they offer the customer free shipping, now you're paying for shipping out of your pocket because you chose to ship your own products without using the labels or that come from the platform. So don't fall into that hole. I have seen people on TikTok who done that, and they pretty much is selling products and without making a profit because they paying for their own shipping, because TikTok, without even asking them, they offer free shipping to all the customers. So when TikTok do offer free shipping, or TikTok do offer 40% off your products without even asking you, don't worry. You're going to see when you make a sale. If you go into that sale, click on, because it's going to have its own little number. Click on that sale, and it's going to give you the full breakdown and say you sold an item for $20, for example, and TikTok for some reason gave them 50% off and free shipping. You're going to see that the customer only paid $10 for the product. When I first seen this, I, started panicking and all that. But if you go into your disbursement screen, you will see that if you sold a product for $20, you have $20 en route to you. TikTok, even though they offered the customer free shipping and they offered the customer 40% off that particular product, it do not affect your money. I received my full amount, which was $20. $20 went straight to my account. So don't panic when you see that your items are free shipping, or you look at your TikTok shop and you notice it's 40% off for the day. Don't panic, because once you make a sale, if you go into your disbursements, you can see that all of your money is on its way to you. I have had no problems when TikTok ran. I don't personally touch anything as far as running promotions and stuff like that on my products, because TikTok is already doing it. So if you run a promotion on your product yourself, then yes, TikTok is not going to reimburse that. But if TikTok do it for you, if they're doing something on their own, then they will reimburse you the full amount. Okay. Another thing, and let me tell you, with small businesses, this can also can ruin you. TikTok shop can ruin you. The reason why I say that is because if you're a small business and for some reason your video go viral, okay? And it don't have to be like you got millions of views. It could be a couple of thousand views and you completely sell out of a product. If you do not have that product available when you do go viral and you do sell out, TikTok only give you so many days to ship these products out. So don't ruin your business by over listing. When I say over listing, don't put, if you make candles and you know you only got 10 candles already pre-made, don't put 20 listings and put 5 candles, that you have 5 of each one of these candles, because if you go viral, you overselling, and you got to figure out how you gonna compensate all these orders when you only have 10 candles but you got 20 listings. So with me, I on TikTok I sell tumblers. So I do not have my tumblers. Some tumblers I do have pre-made, some of them I don't. And no, most of the ones I have pre-made are just tumblers left over from pop-up shops. But I can make one tumbler in 15 minutes. So I have about 10 listings in my TikTok shop, but I only have 5 tumblers per listing. So if my TikTok shop for some reason go viral and everything sell out, then I have to make 50 I have about 3 days to make 50 tumblers. Yesterday I made 45 tumblers for a customer, so I know that I can make 50 tumblers in 1 to 3 days and get them shipped out. I also keep 100 blank tumblers in my store, at home in my craft area at all times, just in case I do go viral or something like that on TikTok. I have my own website linked not in the bio on my TikTok page, as well as having a TikTok shop. So when I run a sale on my website, and I might like for instance, I went on a cruise in January. I ran a sale like 2 days before that, forgot to take the sale off, forgot to put my personal shop on vacation mode, went on the cruise, and then it blew up. I ended up selling 220 cups. But because it was my website, I was able to go live and say, hey, look, I'm on a cruise. This is what happened. When I come back, I'm going to start shipping orders. I was able to do like a 2-minute video. Hey, I'm on a cruise. As soon as I get back, this is when I get back. This is when orders came out. So I was able to control that whole situation because it was my website, and even though it took me 2 weeks to fill all those orders, I wasn't penalized in no type of way because that's my website. If this would have happened on my TikTok shop, I would have been violations, refunds all over the place, the whole 9 yards. So I recommend, unless you just already have a lot of stock already ready, you could just grab it and ship it out. Don't overstock your listings, okay? But another thing is I don't expect your money within the same week. Yes, I use TikTok. Anything that I sell through TikTok, my TikTok shop, I use platform shipping. I ship my products the very next day. And right now it's taking about 20 or 21 days for me to see the money in my account. I done had customers receive their products because it will tell you on the platform if it's, in transit, have it been delivered. I have had customers actually receive their product, leave me a positive review, and I still don't get my money for like 20 or 21 days. So don't expect your money to come instantly or within that same week. So if you're a small business, again, if you happen to sell out and you fill all your orders, you normally use some of that money to rebuy supplies, keep in mind it could be up to 21 days before you can actually receive the money to actually, purchase more supplies to keep your business going. So always keep in mind that you don't get your money instantly. Maybe later on down the line, maybe after you have so many sales, maybe you'll get your money faster. But in the beginning stages, it take about 21 days. Overall, I am very happy with using TikTok shops because, like I said, I have my own website. I have almost 7,000 followers, so I'm able to have my website link in my bio as well as have a TikTok shop. It has been words going around that they might remove no longer allow us to have our link to our personal websites in our bio anymore. But until then, it's there. So my customers who already previously been purchasing from me, they tend to go to my website because my personal website is actually $5 cheaper to shop on than my TikTok shop. But I have had no issues with TikTok shops. I have ran everything from start to finish, from starting it, from setting it up to selling products and shipping and receiving my money. So if this is something that you want to do, start small, don't overlist, and you might have success with TikTok shop just like I did. I want to thank everybody. If you made it all the way to the end of this video, I usually try to make my videos only 10 minutes. This went a little bit longer because it's very important that you know that the ins and outs about TikTok shop, especially because you're dealing with your business money. So I just had to get it all out. So but I want to thank you for watching this video all the way through. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you have not subscribed, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye everyone.